Hi, class. Welcome to Vegan 101 taught by Dherbs.com. Please remember to hit the subscribe button for notifications on all future content. Researchers say that fertility issues affect about 15% of couples. The good news is that there are natural ways to help increase fertility. One of the easiest places to start is by eating the right foods. The minute you think about having a child, you want to add certain foods to your diet. You should eat the following foods to help make the body more fertile. Let's dive into the lesson. Eat more fiber. Fiber aids the body with the elimination of excess hormones and helps to regulate blood sugar. If you have high estrogen and progesterone levels, it can be more difficult to get pregnant. Eating high-fiber foods like whole grains, vegetables, and beans can help lower concentrations of these hormones. Women trying to increase fertility should increase their fiber intake by 5 grams per day. Complex carbohydrates. Complex carbs are whole grains, beans, vegetables, and fruits, all of which help to keep blood levels stable. Simple or refined carbs tend to increase insulin levels, which can negatively affect reproductive hormones and the menstrual cycle. This is not a good scenario if you're trying to conceive. When you eat complex carbs, you can avoid insulin spikes and promote regular ovulation. Berries. Raspberries, blueberries, blackberries, and strawberries contain high concentrations of antioxidants, which work to protect cells from damage and aging. That includes the cells in your reproductive system, including your eggs. Antioxidants like folate and zinc work to improve fertility in both men and women. In one study, women who consumed more folate experienced higher rates of clinical pregnancy, live birth, and implantation. Iron-rich foods. Consuming iron from plant-based foods may reduce the risk of ovulatory infertility. Make a doctor's appointment to check if your iron levels are solid if you want to conceive. Great non-heme iron sources are harder for the body to absorb, so consume these foods with vitamin C to increase bioavailability. Folate-rich foods. Vitamin B9, also known as folate, is one of the best nutrients to consume before and during pregnancy. The CDC suggests that women consume 400 micrograms of folic acid daily, at least 1 month before getting pregnant. Folic acid is the synthesized version of folate, which you can get from consuming leafy green vegetables, including kale, bok choy, broccoli, and spinach. Strawberries and oranges are also great sources of folate. Seek out these nutrients to give you the best chance at conceiving a baby. That's all for today, students. Tune in next week for another lesson of Vegan 101, powered by Dherbs.com.